Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Nasdaq. It is time for another update, and on the long time frame we will go quickly through it. We are looking here at a general wave 1, could be a series of 1-2 setups that occurred over this area, but doesn't really matter. We still need to build this larger wave 3, and even after it is done we really don't care about the structure that really occurred within this wave 1. Except for reaching the ADL target within the wave 3, and yeah, we still have a long way for that, but we also have a long way to finishing this count. So internally within this wave 3 we are also tracking a 5-wave move to the upside, where even the internal wave 3 within the larger wave 3 is not yet complete. Most likely I am still looking for one more high in this area. Now I have to say, it is in a topping region. It could complete at any point, and once it's done we could be looking at a very large correction that could lead us in a wave 4 in the area between the 1100k 11.7k level all the way down to the 5k level at the 50% retracement. Now as long as we stay above the 50% retracement, we do have quite high chances of pushing to new all-time highs in a wave 5, and this is a very reliable trade setup. But it is in a very far point and could be in a very distant future, could take even decades to actually complete this correction, especially to reach any level that we are at right now. Now internally within this wave 3 to the upside we are tracking again a 5-wave structure, where within this movement I could see different counts to work out. I could see even series of 1-2 setups, and who knows, maybe even this could turn into a stronger third wave to the upside, but it is an area of risk, an area that we could see a significant top within. And internally we are looking again at a 5-wave structure. This could be considered also a diagonal pattern, an ending diagonal within the wave 5. I am personally tracking it as an impulse, and within it I have a 1, 2, a third up, a fourth down complete, and now I'm tracking the 5th wave to the upside, where again I am looking for a 5-wave structure even within this wave 5. And let's add the counts and the support zones that we were tracking previously. So internally within this 5th wave to the upside I am looking for this as a wave 1, a wave 2, a third wave up, a 4th wave down to come, and then a 5th wave to the upside. Now for this wave 4, it is the most relevant one, the highest probability, and the actual one that would be a pretty great warning to break below, especially the 61.8% retracement. And yeah, right now I don't think it's not adjusted for the latest top, but yeah, we can adjust now. So the most significant level is at the 61.8% retracement at the 20.1k level, and breaking below that would be a first great warning that we might have topped within this wave 3, and we could be looking at a correction here in a wave 4 to who knows how deep within this area of support. But yeah, in that case, before we get any new levels anywhere near where we are right now, it could be again a very long time. Now internally within this structure, within this 5-wave move, I am tracking it as an ending diagonal. So I am really looking at an ABC pattern within each of the subwaves of this movement, where to the upside within this wave 3 I am looking, and I can even add a count here, I'm looking here at an ABC movement, where within the wave C I am looking here possibly at a series of 1-2 setups, a third wave up, a 4th wave down, and then a 5th wave to the upside. Actually no, this would be the 1, this would be the 2, this would be the 3rd, yeah, it's like this, and then this the 4th, and here the 5th wave to the upside, where again internally within this wave 5 that we have been tracking here in blue, we are looking at an ending diagonal. So the 5th wave of the 5th wave is an ending diagonal again. And in the previous video I provided you this support zone for such a wave 4 correction that we did reach and we did react to, creating the 5th wave to the upside. And I do have to say right now this is a very high possibility area to have already topped. Now actually I have a full count. I cannot really look for necessary further continuation. The only thing I could look for is an extension within this wave 5, where this could be an ABC pattern that could still see a little higher push within the wave 5, but in my opinion it is a very high chance that we have already topped here within this wave 3, and we could be heading in a wave 4 correction that would have the support zone really start at the 23.6% retracement at $23K level, which does also have quite some significant structural support. So yeah, this might be at least an area where we get a relief rally, if not something more in the continuation in the fifth wave to the upside. But yeah, I would be overall very cautious of any long positions in this area. And for the continuation to the upside in this wave 5, I can provide you a general support for such a wave B, where I would be looking here at the area between, let's see, so around the $24.7K level all the way down to the $24.3K level. Now, if we break below the 78.6% retracement, it would be a pretty good indication that we may have topped here and we probably have completed the wave 5, also the wave 3, and I would be extremely cautious of any further continuation to the upside. I would instead be tracking a pretty high probability push here in the fourth wave. So I'm not calling a top right now. I could still see continuation, and even if we fall below the level of support here, we could still see some other extensions in some different counts. But it is a warning from my side that this is an area that we could see a more significant retracement from, and yeah, in this case I would really watch out for the support zone that we would be heading for within this wave 4. And for now, there really isn't much else to add. These are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.